Number 3, that our acceleration in the x direction is equal to 3 meters per second squared, and that our y acceleration is 4 meters per second squared. And they ask us a bunch of questions like, basically, what is the resultant vector of the two? Now, if I draw my vectors this way, and this is the first candy earning opportunity, how do I find the overall acceleration? What's the formula? Well, if we were solving a velocity, but since we're solving an acceleration, what do I put? I'll give you a clue. Look at. I'll give you a clue. Yes. What do you think it is?
For the combination of velocities, it should be v equals square root of v squared x plus v squared y. And that's what the book is saying.
That's what the book's saying for velocities, but we're solving for accelerations.
A squared.
A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Yeah.
But how do I do that with this?
Wait, that's
You just do
I'm
it.
right.
Yeah, you're right. So what do I put right here? You're sort of right. So this is for a good guess. We need the Pythagorean theorem. Wait. I'm going to take the candy back if you don't finish the formula. So now what is being squared though? What's being squared?
That ax and ay.
So it's a sub x squared plus what?
A sub y squared.
A sub y squared. Remember, we got to raise our hand to get the candy. So now to find that, what do I say? A is equal to 3 meters per second squared plus 4 meters per second squared. Then we take the square root of everything. So now in the next line, I'll have 9 meters squared plus s to the fourth plus 16 meters cubed s to the 4. And then that would be 25 meters squared over s to the 4th. When I take the square root, what do I end up with?
5 meters over s squared.
Very good.
I did not know that. Dang it. It's 9.
So it's 5 meters per second. So the question had like, is it less than 3, greater than 4? Is it between 0 and 7? So what was the right answer?
It was between 4 and 7.
It was between 4 and 7. So the answer was actually option 3, right? Between 4 and 7 meters per second. Right? Now what did they do? They added the 2. They picked a bigger number and then added the 2. So 4 was the lower boundary, which is the largest of the two velocities, and then 3 plus 4 is 7. Now do you know where they get that from? Because the x and y components, right? The x and y components. If the largest vector is 4 meters, right? And we know that the y component of this vector is 0, but let's assume that it's not. Let's assume that it might be 3 units, right? The largest this vector could be would be 3 plus 4. Does that make sense to you guys? Okay.